How to share file in Zoom meeting. In this video, I'll show you how to share documents on Zoom. I'll talk through 3 different ways. So the first one is just by showing it on screen. So how to do that is to go to the bottom there where you see share, click on that, then click on the window or the file that you want to share. So for instance, this Excel file, go ahead and click on that, then click share. Then they'll be able to see it there on screen. You can talk through it, etc. Another way is down there at the share button as well. You can go ahead and click on that, but this is a bit more of a new and advanced version where you can click on documents. Then there where it says docs, you can see it's new. You can go ahead and click on that, click share, and then you can go ahead and click the little new drop down bit there where it says import local files. So for instance, this Excel file that I have here, you can go ahead and open that up, and then people will be able to see it, share, and even edit within Zoom itself. So it becomes like a Zoom doc. So as you can see, it takes a few seconds to load. Then in there, you'll be able to see it. You can go ahead and edit it. You can click it. Other people will be able to see and edit as well. There's a few different things you can see on there with the settings. So that's the second way and the new way of doing it. The third way as well, if you just want to share the file, you can go ahead and click on the chat. Then you can just go ahead and click the plus button, and then you can put in the file there, import the file. They'll be able to see it, download it, etc. Then edit it within, let's say, Microsoft Office or something like that. So those are 3 different ways of doing it. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.